day, a poor woodcutter was cutting trees near a river. Suddenly, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the water. He sat down sadly. It was the only tool he had to earn a living. Just then, a magical angel appeared. She dived into the river and brought out a golden axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. The woodcutter shook his head. "No," he replied. She went back in and brought out a silver axe. "Is this yours again?" He said no. Finally, she brought out his old iron axe. He smiled and said, "Yes, that one is mine." Impressed by his honesty, the angel rewarded him with all 3 axes. Moral honesty is always rewarded. The woodcutter joyfully realized that his honesty had brought him not just his tool back, but also remarkable gifts. As the angel flew away, he felt a newfound hope for the future. With each step back home, he imagined how he would use the golden and silver axes to improve his life and support his family. The woodcutter knew he would never forget the lesson learned that day.